Well, here we are going into the Philadelphia Flower Show 2021. It was at Franklin Delano Roosevelt Park, FDR Park in Philadelphia. They decided to do it outdoors this year because of the COVID-19 pandemic, having the fresh air in the outdoors. So this year it's outdoors in the park, and I tell you, it is beautiful, and it's great to see nature out in nature. And I'll be curious to see what folks thought of this year's flower show. If you went out there, did you like it outdoors as opposed to indoors? They usually have it, inside. But this year, look at that, outdoors by the lake there at FDR Park. A beautiful entrance to the Philadelphia Flower Show. And there's something for everybody. There's all kinds of things going on, from, plants, flowers, vegetables, decorating, you name it. Nature, outdoors, they have it at the Philadelphia Flower Show, one of the largest in the nation and possibly the world. So it was a lot of fun. A lot of sun, summertime. Make sure you have your water. Make sure you have your, suntan lotion. Make sure you, if you need the hat, all that good stuff. Sunglasses, as you're going to be outside, enjoying this. And it's summertime. So this was one of, the painted sections where painters were doing some of the birds that are, natural to us here in our habitat, and really cool stuff. Great artwork, and some of these bird paintings, just absolutely fantastic. Took a moment to check out this little exhibit, and a lot of exhibits part of the Philadelphia Flower Show, and this was the bird section, so pretty cool. Bonsai. Do you like the bonsai trees? These trees, well, the one right there is about 30 years old. 30 years old, and look how small it is. It's amazing. The little bonsai trees. Lots of goodies to pick up if you want to get, some swag, you want to get some keepsakes, all kinds of cool stuff there at the Philadelphia Flower Show. What they've done here this year is broken it up into different, categories, different districts, if you will. The Garden Grove District, the Garden District, the Design District, all different categories. And it's all broken up, and it's pretty cool as you go through each one. These were some of the art designs that were winners at this year's event, combining art and gardening together, and pretty cool to see some of the creations that the, gardeners or the garden artists, if you will, put together for this year. Hey, it's a Roomba for your lawn. That's right, it's a robot lawnmower. Look at that thing. That's pretty cool. Lots of cool exhibits. I mean, this one even brought in a car and parked it into theirs. And it's just so many things to see when you're out there at the Philadelphia Flower Show this year. Creations of all kinds. There's a hummingbird going at some flowers. And, of course, the flowers and the hummingbird made of flowers. So it's a whole thing going on there. So it's pretty cool. And there's all different things. It's all in the design section, a bee section, with the little honeybees and so forth. So just absolutely fantastic. This was the Enchanted Forest, and they had all kinds of cool things going on there, and just everything related to nature and design, with gardening being the centerpiece. So the Philadelphia Flower Show going on right now. It just began on June 5th, and really cool stuff, and you can check it out. But this year's outdoors event, and I'd be curious if you want to put in the comment section below, if you did go, what'd you think of the outdoors this year as opposed to indoors? It was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty cool. It was hot. It was hot, but it was pretty cool. Mothman, if you're a fan of Discovery Channel, somebody did a little exhibit about Mothman, and he terrorizes the forest, and you can check that out. But we had a really good time, and very convenient parking, and easy to walk into the event. And it was just a great time. So check it out. It's the Philadelphia Flower Show 2021.